Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share a modern wooden dining table designs. So there you can see there the beautiful designs are available with different size. Wooden dining tables, especially those made from the solid wood, are a popular choice for a good reasons. They offer a blend or practicality which beauty and longevity that many alternative materials such as glass, metal or engineering wood can't match. Here are the key advantages. Exceptional and longevity, solid wood tables are built to last generations and they resist to wear daily dents and scratches before than particle board or veneer options. So often enduring the family use for decades or even the century with a proper care. It has some timeless aesthetic appeal, so wood brings the warm, natural beauty and unique characters to any dining space because each table has a distinct grain, patterns and colors. So making it one kind of a fits a seamless into various styles from rustic to modern minimalist and never goes out of the fashion. Also their repairability, refinishability. So unlike many materials, wood can be sanded, refurbished or repaired if scratch or worn, extending its life further and allowing style updates over the time. So wooden tables are heavy and stable, reducing the risk of tipping, ideal for the homes with children or pets. They handle the heavy use, spills and heat better. Wood is a renewable resource especially made from sustainable. It requires less energy to produce than synthetics can become a long lasting. Though initially more expensive, a quality wooden table saves the money long term by outlasting the cheaper options that need frequent replacement. Overall, the wooden dining table combines the functionality with enduring style, making it a centerpiece that enhances the meals and gatherings for years to come. So, if you are considering one option for the solid wood hard for the best benefits, key points to consider before purchasing the dining table. So, friends, like buying a wooden dining table is a significant investment. So, it's a wise to elevate the several factors to ensure it fits your needs, lifestyle, and space perfectly. Like always, check the size and space requirement. So measure your dining area carefully. Allow it at least 36 inches around the table for chairs to pull out comfortable and for easy movement. So consider the table's shapes like rectangular, round based on the room layout, and always check the type of wood and quality. So choose the wood space based on durability, appearance, and hardness. So, friends, if you want in a budget-friendly option and a good durable, so engineering wood materials are also the little bit of. But in engineering wood, don't go with the MDF or a particle board. Select from like a plywood, which are made. They are budget-friendly also, and they're more durable. And if you want to go with the premium price and a good quality, so go with the solid wood like teak wood or the shisham. So friends, in this video I'm going to share some links of dining tables. So always check the reviews, price, ratings and the specifications. And solid wood which are made are durable, repairable but expensive. So can expand the contract with the humidity. And if you want in budget friendly, go with the engineering wood like plywood, which is the more strong and durable. So if you host the large gatherings, consider an extendable table for flexibility without taking the permanent space. Check the finish and maintenance. So check the finish oil, lacquer or polyethylene seal finishes are easier to clean, but maybe scratch oil ones should wear but are simple to refinish. Wood requires regular care, avoid direct heat water, so use the cautious and periodic oiling. And so friends, always check the budget. So set a realistic budget. Quality, if you want to go with the premium quality like solid wood are the best. If you want in a budget friendly like engineering wood made with which are made from plywood. So if you can purchase in the shops, always check the quality of the wood. Ask them which materials been used. Don't purchase of particle board and like MDF. So friends, if you have any doubts regarding to the dining table, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want more details regarding to the interior designs, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video.